4:48. Let's talk about that most accurate forecast now as we track what's likely to be an active few days around our state when it comes to our storm potential. And it all has to do with tropical moisture. Now, we talked about what once was Hurricane Nora. Now the remnants of Nora still moving through Mexico and still moving towards the north-northwest at 9 miles an hour. But that storm continuing to fall apart and continuing to weaken. So as we look ahead over the next few days, what we're talking about is moisture from this storm that's going to get pulled north and into our state, and that is what's going to enhance that rain potential. So we've got a couple things happening. We've got tropical moisture that's going to be surging in, an area of low pressure to our west that's also going to be helping pull in that moisture, and that is why we are looking at higher rain chances starting tomorrow into Wednesday and lower temperatures too. So essentially today we'll see a chance for thunderstorms over the higher terrain, a slight chance for storms here in the valley, and we could get some areas of dust too. So don't let your guard down today. Then by tomorrow we see that surge in tropical moisture. You're going to feel it start to move in, and by Tuesday night into Wednesday we've got an opportunity for widespread rain across the valley and across central Arizona too. Again, thanks to that area of low pressure approaching from the west, helping pull in all of that tropical moisture. We've got high pressure sitting to our east, so essentially our state sandwiched right in between, and that wind flow is helping pull in that moisture. Rain chances will be cranking up across the state Tuesday into Wednesday, and then that moisture quickly clears out to the east. And by Thursday, we've got storm chances still in the forecast, but they're going to be lower, more of our typical monsoon storm pattern as we wrap up the week. So again, our key days for increasing rain chances Tuesday into Wednesday. For today, a slight chance for thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. And so I want you to be on the lookout for that as you're commuting home. There's a threat of dust and some areas of thunderstorms. And then those rain chances go up Tuesday, especially though Tuesday night into Wednesday morning before those storm chances drop off again. And we see just about a 10 to 20% chance for rain the rest of the week. Now, as we get this surge in moisture, we're going to see a better potential for heavy rainfall. And because of that, our risk for flash flooding is going up. In anticipation of that threat, we've got flash flood watches that go into effect Tuesday and remain in effect through Wednesday night. So essentially, these are being issued for 2 days for all of Arizona, including the Phoenix metro area, as storms will be capable of producing as much as 1 to 2 inches of rain per hour. We know this is really going to impact some of our burn scars, especially if we get any storms setting up over any of those wildfire burn scars too. So that's what you've got to be mindful of. Start preparing now for that potential, especially if you live in one of those areas that tends to see that flooding easily. Now for today, we could see at least some isolated flash floods as we see thunderstorms get going this afternoon along the Mogollon Rim, and we've got a chance for some thunderstorms to our south. Those storms to our south we'll have to watch. It's possible they kick out some outflow winds and we get some dust in spots across Pinal or Maricopa County, maybe even here in the valley too. And that'll be the case after 4 p.m. I think our chances for some areas of dust goes up with some spotty thunderstorms possible. Then again, tomorrow into Wednesday, those storm chances go up even more. So for today, be on the lookout for some storms that could produce some stronger winds, some areas of dust, and flash flooding will continue to be a threat, with that rain chance and that flash flooding threat really being enhanced Tuesday into Wednesday. Today, a high of 107, still pretty hot, still humid. Then we go into weather action mode. Those flash flood watches in place Tuesday and Wednesday, and look at how temperatures will fall into the upper 90s Tuesday, then upper 80s Wednesday, with temperatures rebounding, but only into the 90s through this upcoming weekend.